evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yet another year of a special award from FGV. We would like to welcome everybody here to witness this day with us. We have a lot of people here who came to support us, and on behalf of FGV, I would like to thank you and to welcome you and to let you know that you just feel home. We're here to welcome you. And we would like to welcome some special people between us, people like the Minister from the Finance, Culture, and Minister of Education, the Ambassador of Senegal in the Gambia, Mayor of Kanifed Municipality, Mayor of Banjul, and the family of Mustangam. We would like to say welcome. And Mr. Jalaba Kuyate, thank you for joining us today. The President and all delegation of SMD, we would like to say thank you for coming to join us all the way from Senegal. We would like to also say welcome to the Association of the Senegalese School here in Banjul, to say thank you for coming to join us. We would like to welcome all the parents, the colleagues, and everybody in our other bureaus as well, from Bruceby and the other bureaus in Kanifing and everybody. So today is a special day. A day, a symbol of hard work for all of these youngsters. FGV is here to enhance government's effort towards national development. They've been doing that for quite a while now. And it's been overwhelming to see the number of people here today to come and support. We would like to welcome our sponsors as well and to say thank you. People like Sen Marketing Distribution and the Superstar Distribution and Association of Senegalese in Banjul. All our media partners, welcome. People like QTV, JRTS, VOD, Hamad Photography, and everybody that I haven't mentioned. We would like to say welcome. And yet again, congratulations to everyone who will be receiving an award today. FGV is, like I said, it's full of talent. And these young people here, they really need our support and our help to grow. They are born leaders and they are really dedicated to succeed and to be self-sufficient. Welcome everybody. My name is Sarah and have a good evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Alors donc di wax ne macha allah yaakaar naa ñi nga xam ne nag anglais lañu dégg ils sont bien servis yaakaar naa donc Mrs. bi aussi jaar na aussi ci li nga xam mooy discours en anglais et ñu koy jaajëfal bu baax a baax.